Are you problem solver? Do you want to work with latest technologies? Do you want to make world cleaner and safer place? The answer is yes. A great civil engineering might interest you. It's amazing how much worlds around us has been shaped by a civil engineer. Civil engineers build skyscrapers, tunnels, a stadium and everything in between. They are responsible for roadways, airport and bridges. They maintain lake, river and park. They are dedicated to creating more suitable world where work influences where people work, live and play. They design road, rail and air system. They give products from table and keep everything on move. They plan cities and deliver drinkable water. These are a few achievements of the civil engineering. Helping to design a transportation system that does not need drivers. Are developing a solar purification system so peoples living in third world condition have drinkable water. Civil engineers has limitless potential to explore and grow with the changing worlds. There are many different type of civil engineers. Do you want to sure others are safe and can need to work? Do you want to design and build the structure that support industries around the world? Do want everyone to access the clean water? All civil engineers have foundation in math and science. They also use a creativity in engineering. They can choose the specialize in area of civil engineering that best choice by you. We often realize the many way civil engineers improve in daily life above ground and below. Civil engineers' main advancement with most exciting yet to come the possibilities are endless because civil engineers are transforming yesterday's problem in today's solution. Are you ready to make it difference? If you want to change the world, civil engineers may be clear for you. Visit this website for search much more information about civil engineering. Here, these are our faculty members of Civil Engineering Department who guide you as a mentor for your better future. And here, we are performing these labs on regular basis to enhance the practical knowledge of the subjects. And here we are visited some industries to understand the basic environments and ability required for civil engineers. And here we are conducting some seminars by highly experienced professors. And here we are conducting some model presentation of civil engineering structures and many more. For more information, visit our website vitk.vision.org.in. Thank you.